Considering a move to sunny South Florida and intrigued by the idea of investing in a brand new home? Today, we're diving deep into the world of new construction properties, weighing their pros and cons. So join me as we explore a stunning $2 million new build nestled in the picturesque community of Lotus Palm in Boca Raton, Florida. This home is 5,177 square feet, 5 beds, 5 baths, and 2 half baths with a 4-car garage. I'm Castilia Cava, your guide to all things South Florida here at SoFlo Living. We get calls every day from people just like you seeking guidance for their move to their vibrant region here in South Florida. Whether you're planning to move in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or even set up a Zoom so that I can help you make a smooth move to Florida. If you're new to the channel and hungry for comprehensive insights about life in South Florida, then subscribe below, tap the bell button for notifications to be the first one to know what's new in South Florida. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Pros. We're going to talk about the pros of buying a new home and what makes new construction so enjoyable. Unlike older models of homes, new constructions have a more modern floor plan with an open space, lots of light, and easy access to all the rooms in the house. As you can see in this home, that is exactly what the floor plan does here. The open bar top kitchen is connected and shares space with a beautiful dining area and large, comfortable family living room. Overlooking the beautiful backyard and connecting seamlessly to the separate sitting area on the other side of the house. Another pro feature to new homes is the utility efficiency. While the home may be bigger, the cost of the monthly utility usage can be significantly lower to an older model due to upgraded electrical systems and increased energy efficiency in many systems throughout the home, such as the HVAC, Star appliances, and smart home system. Going into our next pro, and with those upgrade utilities we just talked about, comes low maintenance cost. New homes don't come with all the hassles that older models tend to have when it comes to old appliances and home structures. These new appliances and newly built structures come with a lower chance of damage, lower homeowners insurance, and a higher resale value. The next pro of buying a new construction home is the extra space and ability to personalize it with add-ons that can be made through the construction company. Looking at this home, you can see it is equipped with add-ons such as at-home media room, a gym, and a swimming pool. All of these features make for an enjoyable living situation and personalized touch. Lastly, let's talk about one of the most underrated topics of conversation when buying a home, and that's pest issues. Termites are a huge problem for many South Florida families as they are not only frustrated to deal with, but they are also very expensive to get rid of. However, that's where a huge pro of a new build comes in because the soil used when building these homes have termiticide, which protects your home from termites for years. If you're currently living in South Florida or are planning to move here, I'll put a link in the description of my favorite pest control company dealing with ants and roaches, as well as other great pest control companies that deal with specifically termite issues. Now that we've covered some of those pros of buying a new build, let's go over some of the cons. The first con being location. New builds are often built outside of the city zones due to there being more space. This home and community is located more northwest in Boca, meaning it is further from the beach and the more downtown populated areas. However, something to keep in mind is that there are many older condominiums and hotels currently being torn down or refurbished into new builds, meaning that there is more opportunity now for buying new construction closer to the cities and beaches. Another con to consider is the vacancy of homes around you. It may take time for neighbors to fill their houses surrounding you, and until then, what may be taking their place is the noise of construction workers in the community. The next con is the higher prices of new builds. While it is true that new builds are usually more expensive than buying older models of homes, the price increase isn't as significant as many misconceptions on new builds are. What you pay for usually pays off in not having to fix up issues that an older home might have. Just make sure that you have a trusted realtor that can guide you through the process and make fair and honest comparisons of new and old houses for you. While the space inside new build homes may be greater than an average home, a con of a new build is the little space between the neighboring houses themselves. Understandably, the developers who buy land want to fit as many houses inside to make the most out of their profit and return on investment. However, if you prefer more space between your house and your neighbors, then a new build may not be for you. The most significant con of buying a new home would be the total processing time of buying the home. Unlike common buying situations, the buy and contract time frame usually takes about 45 days. However, with a new home, the buying contract time can take months and even up to a year. In some cases, your house could still be in the building process while purchasing it. Overall, new builds are incredible investments and offer a wide range of positive opportunities and living situations. However, they are not for everyone and should be considered thoroughly before making such a big decision. Thank you for coming along with me touring this new build, and I hope you gained a lot of valuable information from this video. If you got this far, then comment below your favorite part of this home. Remember, if you plan to move in 9 days or 90 days, just give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or set up a Zoom so I can help you make a smooth move to South Florida. And until next time, I hope to show you around town.